Hey everybody, good morning again. What's happening? I had to close the shaders. Pull them down because the sun is just so hot. So I'm sitting in a little bit of a darker room with the lights on because it's just, it's so hot outside. Let's see, Dominic, welcome. Marco, good to see you. Mary, thank goodness for his streams. I get to see what I will be missing. No, you don't worry about that. You don't miss anything because there's always setups. Don't worry. It's all cool. All right, let's see what's happening. I tried to scalp a little bit. Akram, hey there. What's happening? I'm like Bill Lumbergh from Office Space, What's happening? We're gonna have some news, I think. We're gonna have news at 8:30, unemployment claims. And I'm not gonna YOLO to these news if you ask that, but we'll see if it gives us some opportunity maybe to scalp. I was scalping this account in the morning, but off stream I did some more trades, and I was up $1,900 in London session. I went down to 1,700 something. Let me show you. It's somewhere here. It's here somewhere, I guess. Should be here. Where is this account? Yeah, it was this one, I think. Yeah, I'm down to 1,777. Let me put this here. This is the account. Let me put this a little bit smaller. Okay. All right, now it's better. Anyway, let's go. Hey, Ashevs. How's it going? How's it going? Let me delete some stuff. This is the 30-second time frame, but I'm constantly looking at some other time frames too. Obviously, I'm not going to do anything special until we don't have the news. But this, this scalping session was good. Maybe I can put this account nearly to being funded. So you're watching me on the beach, dude. That is awesome. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm thinking that maybe today I'm gonna do a short stream because we also want to go to the beach. I mean, it's a local beach. It's not even a beach. How do they call it? What is the name in English? Which is not the seaside beach, but with the pool. What's it called? I don't know. With pools. Let me use Google Translate. Plague? No, that's not. That's the disease. Sands? No, not seashore, not beach. Anyway, aqua park, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Aqua park. So we might gonna go out in the afternoon. It's 2:20 right now. The sun is super hot. So maybe after 4 or 5 p.m. we go out to the aqua park. Not the ocean. We don't have an ocean here, but we have aqua park. So we might go there. Yeah, no sea or ocean or anything. We only have rivers and lakes, but there is an aqua park. Not too far from here. It's like 30 minutes with car. So we might go there. Have a good time, swim a little bit, because it's super hot. Let me see. Yeah, we might go there. It's like an aqua park. Yeah. Well, I think we'll go. Of course, with my fiance. Of course. Only the two of us. Kogita, hey, morning. Good to see you guys. So we'll see if how the market open goes, and I can show you a picture exactly how it looks like. So so this is the place where we're going after the stream, or maybe I'm gonna, you know, it's not a big one. It's a smaller one, but it's a nice place. So we might go and have some fun, you know, later. All right. I think we are going to take out the 12 here. And maybe going higher to the 32. Not sure. I did like that level, but price didn't take it. It can still go. Hey, Zoltan. What you think the news scandal will do? Well, let's check. I don't even know. So the news is going to be unemployment claims, and they're expecting more unemployed people, which it sounds, I know it sounds a little bit crazy, but a little bit more unemployment is good for the economy. I mean, for the stocks. Don't ask me why. There is a YouTube channel where I saw a very good explanation of why, you know, when the labor market is very tight, so there is not too many unemployed people. That usually means if more unemployed people comes by the numbers, I don't know why, but it's usually good for the stock market. And I don't know why, because I forgot, but this is what it was all about. Hey Lotsa. Hey Zoltan, hey. I think it will spike up then close down. Definitely going to shake both sides, so it could be expected on both ends. We'll be ready. We'll be ready. Definitely. We'll be ready for it. Only a few minutes to go. I still like the 132 candle. So this fair value gap has been taken down there. Repriced, that is. It has not been rebalanced, but it has been repriced. Which means we can go all the way up to 132, and that's what I will be looking at. Also on the 30-second time frame, which is this one. Trying to check these highs, but yeah. Let me put some lines here. Around 28. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, that's just a guess. The thing is that the market, especially nowadays, it's not really reacting the way it should. So I know it sounds crazy and everything, but you would expect a number to come out, and instead, you know, the market is just not reacting as it should. Anyway, I think it will go up. Or it should, at least. $28 would be the next target. Less than 5 minutes to go. Abs, hey there. Let's see. This is gonna be fun. Real fun. Well, doing okay. Can you do a small recap? Well, you know, nothing special. I can do a small recap what happened. All that happened is in London, we pretty much went and took out some highs. Actually, this one at 152, and then price went down all the way to the midnight level, which was hovering around here. On the 15-minute, it has engaged at OTE level to go even further down. So the 15-minute fair value gap took it down back to the new day opening gap, down at 20,000/20,024. Didn't go through. It repriced it, didn't do a rebalance, but repriced it, and now we're heading back up there. Interesting though that up here, while it was trying to reach for that 132 level, I mean, that level looks quite interesting on the that's a swing high on the 1 minute. Not that it's super significant, but it just, you know, it didn't go through. So I can imagine price now trying to push it once more, but anyway, this gap has not been rebalanced so far. And as we look at ES, it just got back here to reprice or rebalance again this fair value gap on the 5 minute. Look at this, up here again. Now what does that mean for NQ? I have no freaking idea, because it just went through this one. Look at this 5 minute gap, fair value gap here. Price went through once, twice, third time, closed above, going higher. Definitely an interesting spot. But anyway, we're gonna have news in 45 seconds. We'll see how it goes. Getting a bit sad that I'm gonna miss the request window. Oh, Apex updated saying there's an issue on their end with international payout information not being able to save. Oh, that's not good. I'm sure they're going to fix it, Abs. I'm sure. Anyway, 10 seconds until news. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. All right. Almost got that 28. Almost. 20-point wick. Almost made a new high. It can still do it, but I don't know what's the number. Price is short for me. Won't do anything until news is done. Yeah. Have to wait until the dust settles a little bit and then look for something. $132. Yeah, it feels like it might want to reach higher. 132 would be my target, but I'm not in a trade. Not in a scalp or anything. I'm gonna let you guys know if I enter a scalp. But I mean, to me, it looks like it could go for that 128. Sorry. The way that the candles are printing is interesting. That's a good target up there. Should I enter? 12. It can go down as well. The thing is that right now it's a coin flip. It can go either way. Most likely, I think it's gonna go higher. But you know, I don't know. Maybe it can sweep some more liquidity lower. We don't know what the market wants right now. Can go to 28. I don't know what's the number. Let's see. $243, 13. So more unemployment. That's why I'm saying it's pretty interesting, but sometimes the market acts for it as a positive thing. Looks like we're going for it. Entering a long position. 28, 25. Obviously a late entry. I thought that it's gonna take it. Okay, I close it. I thought that it's gonna wick through, but there's a gap below, so it's gonna go down. This was terrible. It's gonna go down now, reprice this level. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna sit still. Double top. It was dangerous. Tried it. Made like 60 or 70 bucks. Closed it. As soon as I saw that it stopped there, it was a better decision to close it. But even on the 5-minute, I don't have an entry right now. I mean, look at this. We have this swing here. I mean, we could. Sorry. OTE could be down here if the bias is long. So for example, enter between the 50 and the 61.8. 1 to 2 risk to reward. Could be good if it retraces down on this 15-minute gap. Should be taking out the 28. This account that you see currently is an Apex account, but I have Bulenox accounts too, both funded and and evals, but this account that you guys see is an Apex account. I also have another one here. It's also almost 500 away from getting funded. Apex, and another one also almost 500 away from getting funded. I have a Bulenox here that has passed. It's just not activated yet with 53k. I have another one that hasn't been activated. This one, 53,017 bucks. I have another one, hasn't been activated yet, 53,008 bucks. So I have the funded account that reached payout. I have some accounts here. Okay, let's go back here. How many funded do you have? I have currently 6. I'm not connected to. I'm not connected to. Oh yeah, I'm connected to TopStep. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 currently, but I will have 7. I just have to activate more. I could be, yeah, 7, and if these 2 Apex will pass, that's gonna be 9 funded accounts. Unfortunately, MyFundedFutures account, I was working on a funded account that has been blown up weeks ago, and I'm struggling with reaching that MyFundedFutures. I have it on TradeAway. It's at 51,600 something or 700. And anyway, I'm struggling with it. I'm struggling. Methodical Man, hey, thank you, Methodical Man. Hey, dude, I saw your video, and you know, I think you read what I wrote there, so you will make it back. New day. And by the way, Methodical Man, I also yesterday one account reached the payout level, and the other Bulenox account I blow it up the same day. I was $400 away from getting a payout, and I got greedy after the stream, so I took a screenshot for memories. Yesterday I was at $53,207, and I blow the account down to $50,076. So 1 moment of silence yesterday was for my master account at Bulenox. I was working on this real hard, but anyway, I tilted. So I know how. I was greedy. I wanted to make that $400 super fast, so I could be saying to everyone on the stream that, you guys, I made it. I'm super great trader. I'm the best trader because I made 2 payouts on the same day. And I was greedy, and I blow the account. In 12 minutes. Exactly 12 minutes, the whole account was over. So, what can I say? By the way, because this is going to be my first payout, I mean, anyway, I will write on you on Discord. I wasn't sure. I'm the madman, yeah. I wasn't sure how the payout works. I already filled out the form, the payout form. Uploaded the documents needed. So I guess next week could be expecting. Yeah, slower and harder this time. Thank you, Marco. Yeah. Bulenox rules are not that bad, I think. There's nothing confusing. They have actually, I mean, they don't really have any special news. They have rules, sorry. They have the consistency rule, and the only thing maybe is the payout. So the payout is very strict. You have to build up $3,600. That's the only thing. But anyway, Anyway. We move on, you know, guys. Let's see. I think yeah, I will be grateful. Definitely. Let's see. Seems like we're stopped here, but we should be getting through this 28 level real fast. I mean, it should be wicking through like boom, up to 32. It should go up. Thank you, Dominic. Yeah, we'll move. Yeah, we're gonna be fine. You know, we're gonna be fine. Moving on to the next one. We're gonna be fine. We learn and we move on. Okay, this one wants to go higher. This is a 30-second chart, but there's no structure. Okay, took out the 28. Could be wicking out the 32. Super easy. And then onwards. Of course. So I guess we're gonna wait again for the open. It could be a slow session before the open. Let me know if any one of you guys have some plan, maybe to trade this. I don't have any significant levels up here. Like nothing. No significant levels. Excuse me, but I just don't know. I mean, somebody unplugged Nasdaq. Wait to see what it does by London high. Yeah, we could check that. there's no special answer for why 30-second. I guess 30-second is maybe the last time frame where you can still see some structure. If you go down to the 15-second, 5-second, 10-second, there's too many gaps there. Even, I mean, not just the gaps, but it's harder to read price action, especially if the volume, you know, dries up. So I guess 30-second, if you're using higher time frame, the 5-minute or 10 or 15-minute chart as a reference point, you should be finding patterns definitely in every hour. So my short answer is, if you're scalping, you should be finding your pattern, which is for me the 2022 model, in every single hour, maybe like 2 or 3 times, I think. So I could choose any hour and go down to the 30-second, and I would see something that I like to take. Now, it doesn't mean that I'm going to win that trade, but I could see possible entries. So if I want to hurry up and finish quickly with scalping, like on this account that you see, I can go with minis and scalp with tie stops. That's the way you go. But 1 minute is cool. I have now 1 minute is absolutely so. Sometimes it's, yeah, anyway, when you pass you reduce risk. Yeah, when I pass any of these evaluations, I'm going down to micros, so most likely 3, 4, 5 micros. Yeah. I like the unavoidable success. Yeah, just stick to 1 minute. Yeah, I should do that. Hey Rob, we do a fair value gap that starts at 181 up there. All right, let's go. We might see that finishes 208. That's a huge one. Yeah, let's see if we get there. Opportunity mixed with difficulty. Slow sessions mixed with fast sessions. Bad conditions mixed with good conditions. Yeah. Now we have slow, difficult sessions. So exactly. Okay, Rob. So yeah, we might go up there to the 180. Actually, let's go look at the higher time frames. Check the 1 hour here. Look at this. Above 161. And we have, yeah, quite some targets. We have the daily, the previous day candles mid-level somewhere around 280. So I wouldn't be surprised if we would be pushing through up there over the 160s and maybe even higher. That could be a possibility. For now, I don't see anything. Even if I look to the left, I do like the one. What level is that? This level at 155, 156, still on the 1 minute. The bodies of the candles pretty much lined up here, but I don't know if we're gonna get there. It's edging higher, that's for sure. I'm gonna delete this because this has been taken. There's a buy side liquidity there, and I'm gonna put a line here as well as buy side liquidity. 162 is today's high so far. So we might see that. We might see that. $162. Obviously, the issue comes with the market open. That's the problem. Initial balance also finishes at 141. So it gets past there. Looks good. Yeah. Yeah, if we pass this one, 162, and then higher up to the 80s. Mary just made it to work. So sorry to hear that. Oh, don't worry about that, Mary. That's my Apex last month. Times 4. Oh my god. Only for at 70. Each time I go into a trade, it's red instance. Oh. Oh, well, I mean, it happens to all of us. Everybody gets tilted, I think. I rarely know any trader, pro or new trader, who is not, even pro trader is getting tilted sometimes. So, 15 minutes, all my 1 month hard work when it's just like that. Same happened to me. 2 months of work, and I'm going to show you again. Some of you guys saw this already since the London session. I took one last screenshot of my account before Bulenox takes it down, because Bulenox takes it down. So look at the account. I started it early in May. Now this wasn't me. This is account creation. I don't know what the hell this spike here, but usually look at that. There was days, actually overall there was like 2 weeks when I wasn't trading on this account, but look at that. It was consistency here. I was consistent here. You know, I had some minimal losing days here and there, minimal losses. And of course yesterday, since yesterday it's not updated yet, but look at that, boom, and it's just what it is. I mean, I worked on this one so hard, and I was at $53,207. I was a little bit pissed off, but you know, what can we do? Yeah, the curve was looking good, and you know, the pain was not really the pain that I felt. It wasn't really about the money. Of course, the money is good, because $1,000 payout that I was reaching for would be definitely great. But it was more like about the 2 months, more than 2 months of work, 2.5 months that I was working on this account. I was working on this account for 9 weeks, almost 10 weeks. I was really consistent with it. I was disciplined with it. Yes, I did some mistakes on it. I admit that, because there was 1 or 2 lucky moves that almost got me into a huge loss. But anyway, the work has been thrown out the window. Now the other account, which I requested a payout from, is still here, I think. The dashboard. I think it's still here. Oh yeah, it's still here. So here it is. Now this account here is the one that I'm still trading, and I requested the payout. Now this is also good. So far this has survived, so that is a good thing. And fortunately, look at my consistency, 9%. So I could have made much more. Look at my best profitable day, $300. I don't care about the 40% or even 30% consistency, and I don't even care about 20% consistency, because if I make like $300 or something, or 200 even, I just walk away for the next day. I just move on to the next day. That's what I do. So I couldn't care less about any prop firm's consistency rule on the funded account. I don't care. Even 10% consistency, as you see, you can make $300 a day and you will be fine. So it's not an issue. It's not an issue. So I know a lot of traders are asking, oh, but there's a consistency rule. You don't need to, I mean, why do you want to make $1,200 on a 50K? Of course, if you can, why not? I understand. So it's a double-edged sword. I know there's two sides of that coin. I understand, because if you're good and you feel that you're able to make that much profit in one day on a 50K account, for example, then obviously go for it. But you may have to choose a different prop firm. Anyway, I don't even know why I'm talking about this. I guess we're just waiting for the market open. No levels that I like so far. So let's keep on waiting. And until we wait, please guys, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's push it. Let's go. Also, we might do a giveaway tomorrow. I'll see. I think we'll do. Not today, but tomorrow. All right. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Have the day account with same R per trade. Divide your max drawdown by 10 and just go with at least 1 to 3 R with one trade a day. You won't break the daily max loss. Yeah, that's also true. Until we check your email. What? All right, I'm gonna check my email. What is happening? What is happening? Oh, let's see. Oh, Max. Max. What you should do is did you download Rhythmic Trader? First of all, Max was just asking me in email why is his Rhythmic TopStep credentials not working with Rhythmic. Max, what you should do is download Rhythmic Trader to your computer, log into Rhythmic Trader, and when you log in at the first time to Rhythmic Trader Pro, maybe you've done it already. When you log into Rhythmic Trader at the first time, there's going to be a little pop-up window or something. You have to check mark that you accept the market data or something like that. So you have to check that you accept the data and you press OK or something, and then it will let you log in. So once you've done that, close Rhythmic Trader, exit the application, and then log in with Quantower or NinjaTrader with the same credentials. It depends on which platform you use. So that's used to be the issue. First, you have to accept the Rhythmic data feed. So just saying, download Rhythmic Trader Pro. Whether you're using NinjaTrader or Quantower, that's what you should do. Yeah, that I think it's not 90% sure that is going to help you out. That is why it's not letting you in. It's not letting you connect, because first you have to accept and sign the data. And there's no other way to do it but just to download Rhythmic Trader Pro. And then it will work. Trust me. It will go. It will be fine. Yeah. It's this is how it works with Rhythmic. First you have to accept the data, and then it will be activated. Your credentials are going to be, really activated on your end too. And then you can connect with Quantower and Ninja. It's just taking the stairs. Nothing special. 30 minutes more. Let's see what's gonna happen. My neighbor is cutting the grass again at 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Good luck to him. He's a real survivor. I don't hear the dog. But my neighbor is out in the sun. Shaders are pulled down. I'm using a streamer lamp, or what the hell is it called? I don't even know. He's a hero. He is. He's a superhero out there on the sun. 38 degrees Celsius, which is around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Super hot, no clouds. Good luck to him. Clarity, good morning. Well, looks like we want to take out the 62. Yes, they were in the London session. Now it's 3 p.m. at my time, so I think they're finished for the day. But early in the morning, like around 7 a.m., they were flying all over the place. Yeah, they do this almost every day. Fighter Town, you know. It's gonna rain later today. I don't know. I mean, yesterday we had a huge rain, but yeah, we are having the hottest year, so I won't be surprised if in about like a few decades the whole continent here in Europe is just gonna dry up, and we're gonna be living in holes. And that's it. You know, Mother Earth is going to get rid of the human race. It's going to happen. How can I dig a hole in the back of the car? Yeah, most likely me too. because you know, global warming is gonna kill everyone anyway. Going for the 62, it seems like it. I don't have an entry, so good luck everybody if you are in it to win it. What's the high? 62.50. 62.50 is the high. Let's go. It's gonna get taken out super fast. You know, if I jump in here, it's just gonna go down. That's what it usually does. Yeah, it could. You guys want me to jump in, you know, full port, risk it for the biscuit or whatever? I can't even do it. I think I missed the opportunity. Yeah, I didn't take it yet. $52.25. Let's see. It's not gonna take it. It's just gonna go straight to 62, I guess. Very risky trade. Very risky trade. I'm still not in the trade yet. I could be now. Still not in the trade. It went to the price though, but it didn't tag me in. Quite interesting. It's gonna shoot straight to 62. There you go. Almost there. I'm still not in the trade. Still not there. All right. Tempting. No, Dominic says no. 62 is up there, Dominic. Dominic. 62 is up there. Uh-oh. It's very close. Is it gonna tag me in? Oh, let's see. Not yet. This is uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's very close. It's dancing there. Is it gonna reach down for it? Is it gonna reach down for it? Not sure. Look at it. Yeah, it's gonna take out 62 before taking me in. All right. Actually, it did go down to my entries, so the low of this candle was right at 52.25, so it didn't take my order. So, but it would have been a nice 10-point scalp. It would have been a nice 10-point scalp. I've been in since 050, holding based on failed auction of the initial balance low. Nice. Usually when fails, it goes for another end of balance. Yeah. It didn't really go. It didn't take out the high here. What happened here on the mini? Did the mini got taken out? 62.50. Made an equal high. All right. Wayne running back. Never turned back. Yeah. 250 on my PA for ES long. Nice. 250 is a great profit, especially on ES, you know. Let's go. I mean, look at this. There should be correction pullback somewhere down there. Still didn't go for that. Yeah, looks like it will blast up. It looks like it. Oh my God. Max Kaufman, thank you so much for the donation. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There's going to be an alert window coming in, but Streamlabs is usually a little bit slow. Thank you, Max. You shouldn't have to, but you the man. Although Methodical Man used to say that, but I don't care about copyrights. I'm going to say you the man. You the man. Max, I'm glad I could help. Really appreciate that, though. Really appreciate it. You the man, you the man. London session ended and now it pulls up till open. Could be. Right before when it opens it will reverse. It could be. It could be. Where's the alert? The alert window is super late. alert box. It should be there. I don't know why it's super late. Streamlabs is super late with the alert box right now. It could retrace on touching everything, yeah. As usually, get a reaction. First touch, then retrace, yeah. It could be. Could be the case. Oh, there you go. Here's the alert. Thank you again for the donation. Streamlabs is super slow. It took like 3 minutes for Streamlabs to load the screen. Now look at that. Went down to 52. Is it gonna break the 62? All right. All right. Still 19 minutes. Still 19 minutes. All right. It might go consolidate a little bit more. Retrace definitely incoming soon, as stochastics have been oversold for a while. Yeah, could be a healthy pullback, especially on, look at the 5-minute. Very bullish. I'm just not sure how far can it go, but obviously market open will tell us what to do here. Oh man, sorry. I'm yawning here, but it's a super hot outside and this is just not doing its thing. Obviously not enough volume. What else do we have? We have an FOMC member in the PM session. Nothing special. We're pretty much done with the news. What about tomorrow? FOMC member, 10:40 a.m. Core retail sales, Canadian news. Okay, so nothing special for tomorrow. We could also go sideways. You know, it's a slow day. We'll see. Slow days are always here. Sideways movement, guys. This is the thing that kills everybody. All right. Nothing special is happening. We're just waiting. Nasdaq is officially unplugged, and you know, the best thing I can do is listen to some music. So I'm gonna find some music. Don't worry, guys. You won't be disturbed with it. Only I can hear it. Okay. Gotta go to work. Okay, Dominic. Thanks you so much for being here, and you know, stay safe, and see you later. Take care, Dominic. Hope to see you later. Yeah, by the way, guys, I was thinking that maybe I should do a short stream in the PM session for maybe power hour, or before that, something like from 2 or 3 p.m. for scalping, you know, get these accounts to being funded. How about that? That wouldn't be bad, I think. So, just waiting and waiting. 12 more minutes. I think it wants to go to the 60s. Or it should be, or it will. I don't know. but that would be my bias right now, short-term bias to the 60s. To go as well. All right, see you later, Lotsa. Thank you for being here. Köszönöm szépen, hogy itt voltál. Good luck, good luck. Yeah. All right. Slow day so far. I mean, not slow day, but you know, this kind of movement is something almost bad as having a barcoded chart. Hey. The open will probably clear both ends as usual. Clear liquidity. Yeah. So probably clear the gap. Yeah, could be. That could be the thing. That could be the thing. All right, it's yeah, it goes sideways. Some pullback to the downside. Still 9 minutes. 9 minutes to go. Look at that, dropping. Could go down to 29. Could go down to 29. I'm gonna check the 30-second chart. Not gonna jump in, obviously, but 29 should be the target here. Look at that. It's gonna take it out. Or it should. 29.25. Takes this out and spikes lower to that liquidity void. It's very close. Come on, just take it. Double top was due for retrace. Yeah. Yeah, this one could be just, you know, a healthy pullback liquidity sweep and then go higher. Most likely that's the case. Let's see the 29.25 being taken out. Goes back to 39.25. Okay. And then it should break down to 29.25. Almost there. Almost there. I like that level. The issue is with the market open. That's the problem. Otherwise, it could have been good with a tight stop. Oh, look at that. Forming support. Wow. Up to 45. OT, there's a gap at 53. It might try once more. Why didn't it take out that level? $53.50 would be a good target there. If it goes there. It's just the usual thing before the market opens up. Not much. Was clearing some gaps. Yeah. Clean push back to the open. Didn't clear all the gaps, that's true. We might see some more. And now comes the question, where does it want to go? Now we have targets on both ends. With less than 4 minutes. Look at that. Still going down. Typical movement before the open. Yeah, we have to wait. Not much to do. Price is still up to mitigate some of yesterday's imbalance. Yeah, it could be. And the 179.50 is very close also. If you look at the 5-minute, equal highs are looking good. But if you look at the big picture, there's a channel down there, channel up there. Could be going down again. Almost for like a seek and destroy pattern. Almost 1 minute until market open. So let's see. What it does. What it does. Anyway, I'm switching back to the charts. 3, 2, okay, 30 seconds. Might be going down. Careful at the open, guys. 3, 2, 1, and 0. Market is open. Okay, spiking a little bit. Up and down. Okay, look at that. Down to 26. It's dropping. It's okay. Bit of a drop. swept some lows. Not in a trade, I'm flat. Just letting you know, no positions as you guys can see. I have nothing. Let's see if it clears the gaps below, then goes up. Yeah, looking at that, it went for the 15-minute gap down on the downside. High is 62.50, high is 62.50. So 62.50 would be a level to go to. If it starts to go there, I might jump into a long as a scalp trade, but it would be very dangerous. So I'm gonna still wait. There's a level at 0275 right here. Might want to take it. And it took it. And I don't know what's next. No other level here that I'm interested in. Last gap 97. Let's see, 97. Yeah, we've done that. Hit the VWAP. All right, relative equal highs here. The high is 49.25. This is 49.25. I think this can go 49. I like those targets up there. I'm gonna delete that. Also deleting that. Good place to bounce. I agree. $49, $39. I'm gonna put a marker here to 39, as this is the last level to make a good 10-point scalp. But I need a structure before that. I need to see a structure before that. Going for those levels up there. If it wants to. On the downside, there's still nothing super significant, but it can continue to drop. Next level is at 87. Yeah, 87. Might gonna go down for it. I don't know. It's not far. Here, yeah. They want to push it, but it could be a fake out to the upside again. Yeah, it seems like it could be going. Maybe to the upside. Nice. Very good. I still feel like it can reach down for that 87. It's a bit of a stretch, but you know, if it takes it out, then obviously it's not far. Yeah, let's hope. Let's hope. So far, I'm just waiting for price to decide where it wants to go. If it decides to go lower, yeah, look at that. Took out the 87. Next level would be 74 if it goes down. 74. Well, 70. 73.50 to be exact. But I don't like this this barcoding. Not really my favorite. So no trade yet on this. But I could expect a new rally to the highs. Focusing, trying to look for, I only went light and then DC8 to get better position. Now 91. All right. I'm still trying to decide what to do here. Obviously, we still have the 75 level down there. But if it changes direction, then we could see a nice push to relative equal highs. And I wanna see a nice push here. Created a fair value gap on the 5-minute. Might go down to 75s. No, it doesn't. The open of this candle It's 76.50. Hey Kango, VWAP, the VWAP is currently right here at 92. The VWAP, so look at that, we're going down. Should be taking out 75, 73, and maybe even lower. It's moving down. Next level, 64. 64 should be taken out. It didn't go for it. It made a new low. Didn't go for the 64. Maybe the 64.25-ish area. Okay, it went for it. Went for the 64, 64.50 to be exact, and it's still falling. Still going down. Next target, I have no idea. Down there at 41. No retracement. No retracement. FIBO 50%. Yeah, could be. I'm not in a position. In any sort of position, but it looks like it wants to fall. What's the low of that? 38. It's going. We're going to rebalance the price range, I think so. Could be it. Or maybe not. But it could be going down further. If it takes out that low, that would be interesting. That's the last resort. Should be taking it. And we should have a down close candle below. Actually, final TP would be down at 20,009. I'm surprised it led to equal highs from. Yeah, I'm surprised too. But you know what? I think it's gonna go back there. It's the elevator down. Only well usually in a trade eval New York session. Yeah. I scalped a little bit on other evals on the drop, but made a little bit of a profit on the evals. And now we're just repricing. Let me check the 5 minute. Didn't close the didn't go below the sell side liquidity at 18. So we're stuck here at 09. That should be the final target, if it's really the final target. Yeah, the sell side liquidity I think is gonna be at 20,009. That's my level down there. If this continues, this movement, terrorism, these ads. Sorry. I didn't run an ad. Abundance. I didn't. I swear to God, I didn't push the ad button or anything. YouTube is automatically puts in ads. I'm sorry about that. I'm not. I mean, it's YouTube. I'm really sorry. It's not intentional. It was YouTube. I didn't push the ad button. There's a button to put in ads, but I didn't touch it. I can promise you that. Let's see what it wants to do here. All right, now it's shifting a little bit. Could be a repricing higher. Yeah, seemed like it. Good. All right. I don't have anything. I'm looking for some entries. It could be a continuation down to take out that midnight level or gap, or I don't know what it's called. But now it seems like repricing the 5 minute gap. At least that's what I think. So I don't know if it will go down again or first, you know, take out everybody on the upside. I guess it could be either way. Still have the 20 level down there. MyFundedFutures monthly subscription. Yes, it's a monthly subscription. So buy it on it, and you have to exactly visible idea. Exactly. Here comes the profit bounce. Let's go. Ashev's is sitting on his hands. It looks still like bearish. It might want to fall a little bit more, but not sure what to make of this. I'm sure that there is some liquidity below the 20s. It did some repricing action. I don't know if it really wants to bring it all the way down or not. Yeah, with equal highs, it's a little bit dangerous. I give you that. We're still ahead of the 10 a.m. session, so anything can happen here. But it feels bearish, like it wants to take out, what's the low? The 19. I don't know. It's having a hard time right there. There you go. It should be going for 19. It's breaking right now. And even lower, all the way down to 09 that I was saying. I mean, I would take 09 as a target. Almost took it out. So it can go up now. I think it can go up now. It looks good. To go back and take out 72. How about that? Should be taking it. Almost got up there. Hard to say. What's that level up there? 68, 60, almost 70. It's above that. It's 71. It's 71. It's taking it. There you go. So that level has been taken. And we are left with equal lows and equal highs inside this channel. 18.50. And the low of this one is at 19.75, and on the mini it's at 19.75 also. Very interesting price action, gotta say. I gotta say. Yeah, could be taking yesterday's low. Interesting moves. Perfect channel, the perfect bottom and the perfect upside. And if we're going for more inside range, then I don't even know. Need to take liquidity, still in London range, yeah. Yeah, obviously, it didn't go down there, but I think it could reprice higher. Should. It should. Nice W pattern. Yeah, it looks as it is. W formation is a good sign of X fingers. Yeah. Still, if I would see this one go down, you know, could be an entry. There's just need to be some kind of a proper structure shift to the downside. And at this moment, it's, I don't know. I mean, there are places to go here, but there is a 1 minute bullish order block at the 30s down there. Okay, this one might want to reprice higher. And if that's the case, we'll be ready. We will be ready. It's bouncing off, yeah. I just don't know how far can it go. It can obviously go higher. There is a small fair value gap above 89-ish, 89.25 or something. I don't even know. But I'm not sure if it wants to go there. This could have been just a fake out, you know. All right. It went up there. Next target would be up there at 15. Should I jump in? I'm tempted to. Oh shit, I knew that this is gonna happen. Oh no. Oh no, it's too much. 83. If it's not gonna spike back up there, I'm doomed. I'm just giving back the profits from London session here. I was so sure about that high. No. It's not it. It's a middle range, yeah. It's in the middle range. Question remains, is it try to go and, you know, take those highs again? I feel like it will. I feel like it want to. Oh man. I'm just giving it all back. I wanted to see this take out the range properly. I mean this drop here. Rob, nice one. Nice. Congratulations for the profits there. Retrace of the order block, hopefully break. Yeah, well, I don't know. I'm a little bit skeptical right now on this account. The problem is we still didn't go for that level down there. The 2009. But you know, this order block would be nice to break somewhere around that 13 level. If it fails to break, then I might try something else. If it fails to break. I mean, it should pop. One thing I could be doing, what a rejection, is if it would break through, then I would be looking for those equal highs up there at 150. That would be great. Praying, thank you. We'll see. You know, it's not the end of the world. I tried. If it fails, moving on. Obviously, this order block is holding. 1 minute order block, by the way, to the left. I'm watching the 1 minute chart. Give it go. I just want the 1 minute order block to break. It's not even at the high. What a rejection, guys. It can't go through. It can't. It's trying to. Oh, come on. Just break that 13 level. I want to see it being broken. Break that order block. What a resistance. What a resistance here. Why don't you break that order block? Very clean order block, 500 breaks, yeah. This is the 1 minute order block you are referring to. 1 minute order block is here to the left, starting at 937 to until 40. This. Not a perfect order block, that's for sure. So far the VWAP is holding price. Could be breaking the high, which is at 15, so my TP is at 13.50. This is the 30-second chart, but it can be seen on the 1 minute to the left. I'm actually looking at the 1 minute to my left screen, but the 30-second chart can show me possible entry points as fair value gaps if there's a good target. If I see a good target. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, the 5 minute. Sorry guys, the 5 minute is, yeah. Nice liquidity above 16, so that's why I'm still hoping that it can break into that gap up there. But quite interesting price action, to say the least. Man. It's not gonna hold. It would be a miracle to push up from here. This would be quite a miracle to have a push from here. I'm gonna eat the loss if I have to. Obviously, that was the purpose of this account. And by the way, I passed an evaluation already 20 minutes ago while I wasn't speaking. So I already passed an evaluation account with Apex. This is the second retrace. Yeah, I don't know what the hell it wants. But as for liquidity, if it really wants it, it should get above that 15 level. If it wants to break some levels up there. It's just too heavy. It's just too heavy. It's just too heavy. Maybe one more push. Was close. Shifting higher on the 30-second chart, which is a good sign. Well, not a perfect shift, but who cares? Just go. Oh no. Look at this. I'm telling you, there's something there in this area. High resistance. Very, very high resistance. If it fails, we're going down to 2009. If it fails, then obviously we're gonna go down. I'm not sure if I want to risk more from these profits. I wanted to leave a little bit of room for this to play. I mean, profit wise, if I fail a few trades. So still don't know. Come on. Damn it. No worries. Gonna be focusing on the downside if it breaks. Obviously, if it goes lower and shifting down the down close candle, then this move wasn't the move that we were waiting for, and we might revisit the lows below 20. It's already shifted lower, so that's not a good sign on the 32nd. Very high chance that I'm gonna get taken out from this position. Yeah, we'll see. I think it's gonna go down anyway. Should be cutting the loss. It's gonna cut it for me. Yeah. Look at this. I have no idea what's happening, but it should have taken me out by now. Come on. Get on with it. Alright, I'm out. Back to square one. And that means I'm gonna take a short. And try to go for $20. Try to go for 20. Obviously, this move has failed. Don't do it. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. It's just an evaluation account. And I'm trying to scalp this. You know, the goal is how far can I make it with one mini on an evaluation account? What account are you trading on? What platform? This is Apex with Quant Tower. This is Apex with Quant Tower. With one mini. You know. Trying to go with one mini here. I'm gonna get myself chopped up here. But hey, I already made a new evaluation account. So what you guys see is this one. Yeah, 3,600. Damn it. Now we're back to drawdown. No way. No way. You just longed? All right. I'm looking at these levels down there. Oh, F this. I'm gonna get chopped up here. I might have to close this. I'm gonna get chopped up. Shit, man. All right. I had to close it. I just had to close it. Changing to a different account. This one. Brand new. Let's go with that. Oh, don't worry about it. It's an evaluation account. It's fine. I just started out today with it, so there's nothing to feel sorry for. I actually passed, as I said, another evaluation, so it's perfectly okay. Now it just feels like it might want to go back higher. But I'm not taking a trade until I don't see it properly on this new account. Yeah, my email is, I'm just gonna type it down. I think it's at the about section, but That's my email right there. This is a chopped up session, nothing to see here. This is gonna go down and reprice down there at the 25s. No idea. Or at the 20s. Anyway, just waiting. Barcoding and chopping up. That's what this is right now. Will the SMT hold? I don't know, CryptoPanda. I don't know. Let's look at this. You know, I was talking about that level down at 20,009. But even if we go there first, it has to go way below at least the 20-ish or 20s. This candle open is at 24.25. Let's see if it goes there. Maybe 24.50. By the way, did I tell you guys anyway that this is just a scalping session? I'm just trying to scalp here. And by the way, guys, the account, I was trading it hindsight without you guys. I got the account back to profit. This is the same account from earlier. There you go. I got it back to profit. It's up there at 2,100. Yeah. And look at that, my level 09 is gonna play out. I can also show you guys my trades. Settings, visual, trade. Look at that. I entered here, boom. So, yeah, it was a little bit crazy. Yeah, I wasn't sure why I was hiding the trade, but it's the same account. You see, this is the account I was scalping today in the London session. These are the trades. I don't know why I was hiding it. No idea. Maybe I was a little bit embarrassed. I really don't know. But it was not. I'm not a good scalper, guys. I'm not a good scalper. Seems like we're going for 65. But at least, you know, managed to make some good profit. It was a good trade. You don't want to be influenced by. Honestly, guys, it's not against any one of you because I love you all. Great respect to everybody who is watching me struggle here with scalping. I wasn't looking at all on the chat while I was watching the 1 minute chart, the 5 minute. I was just talking out loud. But I'm sorry, I just wasn't focusing. You're off. Yeah, see you in London session. Ashraf, sorry if this was a boring session, but thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Marco, I go in a few minutes, finish your work. Oh, okay. Is there an stream? I might come back for a power hour, maybe do some scalping. So we'll see. We'll see. Question is, will it hold? Well, yeah, that's the big question. Okay, yesterday low has been taken out. Was done trading for the day anyway. All right, major day profit. Good, Ashevs. Good. Yeah, I didn't really see anything on the 5 minute that I liked anyway. So there was no entry on the 5 minute for me yet. But I'm super happy that I was able to pass an Apex account. Look at that, we're still going down. So this Apex account got passed, started 52,536. So made it to funded. Still going lower. Nobody knows where. Who's in trade? Yeah, that's a good question, right? All right. I might be having better opportunities in the power hour, you know, later. We'll see. Zoltan, thank you for being here. See you in London session. Ciao, Tank. Morning. Good to see you. Guys, the thing is that I'm pretty much done with this session right now. Managed to make this account. Which one was it? This one? No, not this one. This one. Past evaluation. So we have a new funded account with Apex. Hopefully I can make some more. And what can I say? I might come back for the power hour to see what's going on, but I couldn't trade on the funded account right now because I just don't feel like it. And because of yesterday, anyway, I'll be coming back later, I think. So thank you guys for all the support, and sorry if this was a boring session. I wasn't really feeling it, but it was good. I mean, I enjoyed it. Anyway, guys, see you later. Thank you for all the support. Yeah, it could go down, so be careful. It could be a falling knife. See you guys soon. Support the channel. Use my codes. Thank you for everything, and see you soon. All right. Be careful with the trades. Stay safe.